Okay, this is the section 4.5, and this is by angle, side. We have learned how to prove that triangles are congruent by side. That means all the sides are equal. Side angle side means that the angle in the middle is the included angle. Last time we learned angle side angle, which means that the side was in the middle. Now we have angle side. What we're looking at for angle side is that we have two consecutive angles. Two consecutive, that means next to each other. And non-included side means that the side is not between them. So if we had this picture over here, if I had this angle, I'm going to make one arc that corresponds with this angle right here. And the other angle that they give us is congruent is B. And I'm going to say corresponds with F. There's actually two possibilities of making this true by angle side. So I'm going to read it in alphabetical order. Angle, A, B, C, means that C could be one of the sides that could be given. But we could also do it in reverse. We could have B, A, and then AC be the side that's given, because it would still be angle side. But since I gave you that BC is the side that we want, what would be the side that corresponds? Angle side would give you DF is the side that corresponds. Remember that the order of the letters matters. That means the triangle ABC would have to correspond or be congruent to triangle E, because it corresponds with A, B, because it corresponds with F, and then D, that corresponds with C. What I would like for you to do is fill out the proofs. If you have any questions, please let me know. The notation here says that these two sides are congruent. That's KL. Please put a hash mark on the information that they give you, like side lengths being congruent. And then QN is this one right here. The angle LKQ is this one right here. And that is congruent to the segment in QP, which is this one right here. That means we're missing an angle. Remember, we want angle side. So it has to be this angle and this angle for the information that we need. We're trying to prove all of these by angle side. For this one, it tells you that S is congruent to U. The word bisect means that these two angles are equal to each other. That is SRT is congruent to the angle TRU. Because of the word bisect, we know that these two angles are equal to each other. Don't forget about the reflexive property. You can use that fact for both of these. And if we read it this way, SRT, we have angle side.
Yeah, graph paper.
On this one right here, we have that angle A is congruent to angle C. And don't forget the reflexive property. That's the one that would tell us that this side is equal. And then we're missing another pair of angles. We could do this little one right here, and it would still be angle side. Or we could do this one and have angle side this way. As long as you go in order, and then the triangle needs to tell us that, how you write the triangle congruency. We're going to say this one. is congruent to this one over here. Once you have proven that the triangles are congruent, we can know that the corresponding sides are congruent. And we use the letters C, P, C, T, C for corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, but we just use those letters. On the next one, it is easier to understand it if we separate it. We have W over here, V over here, and then Y. We have V, Y, Z. And then it tells us that W and Z are equal to each other. It also says that WV is perpendicular to VY. That's why I put the 90-degree symbol right here. And it says that the segment YZ is perpendicular to VY. That means this is also perpendicular right here. Sorry about the letters. Make sure you write the correct triangle congruency for the last step.